be drawing Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunters. Let's get started. First, let's start with her eyes. In the movie, the main characters Rumi, Mira, and Zoey eat their cup of ramen right before they jump out of their plane to get to their big concert. I'll add some ramen noodles in her mouth. Now her bangs. Now let's start working on her hair. Now let's work on Zoey's cute braided buns on both sides of her head. And her holding her signature ramen cup. Draw her holding chopsticks. Now for the small details. And we're done. Time to start coloring. Let's color her skin a pale cream color. Blush on her cheeks. So that you can still see the braids in her buns, I am going to color her hair a dark gray color. Let's write her name on the front of the cup. I'll also color her heart earrings the same color as her chopsticks.